Hi everyone, welcome back to Cat's Corner. My name is Kat and I work here at the Greater Vancouver Zoo, and today we're gonna go outside and learn about ball pythons. Isn't that right, Chuba? Hi everyone, we are now outdoors here at the beautiful Greater Vancouver Zoo outdoor area. We are next to our giraffes and our porcupines enclosure. And who I have here as a special guest is Diego, our ball python. Now, she came as a donated pet to the Greater Vancouver Zoo. A lot of our reptiles did come from previous owners or illegal pet trades, so that's how we got a lot of our reptiles here at the zoo. Now, Diego here is approximately 16 years old. They can live approximately 20 years. And here she is coiling around me because she thinks I am a tree branch. So what ball pythons do is they coil around into a tight ball. And if she did that, we would know she was uncomfortable, she's terrified, because they like to do that as a defense. Now, these guys are cold-blooded animals. So what's really cool about these guys is they don't need to eat all the time because they are cold-blooded. So we feed them about every 3 weeks. And what do you think a snake would eat? Well, they are predators. So they eat mice, rats that we feed at the Greater Vancouver Zoo. And she would then strike that mouse or rat, coil, because they are constrictors, and squeeze that animal and then open their mouth and eat that mouse. Now, I don't know if you can see right now, but Diego is sticking her tongue out. She was actually a minute ago. Now she's not demonstrating in it. And she is basically smelling. That's another way snakes can smell. So when they're sticking their tongue out, it's almost like a metal detector. They've got like a forked tongue, and one area of their tongue is saying, oh, I smell a mouse this way, or I smell a mouse over to the right. So she's checking out her environment. Where did I take her outside? And is there anything that she can eat or hunt? What's really cool about these guys is they have thermal pits on the side of their face. Now, the thermal pits are heat sensors, so it helps her see warm body temperatures, and in that way it helps her hunt at nighttime. They are nocturnal hunters, more so. There you go. You can see her tongue flicking back and forth, smelling it. Now, these beautiful colorings on Diego as well help her camouflage in her environment. If she was any other color, like yellow, she would have an easier time for other predators to find her, because there are some animals out there that love to eat snakes here. She's doing a lot of flipping flopping. Now, they are very smooth, and what's on their body is what's called scales. And reptiles are really cool because they're also invertebrates, meaning they have a backbone. So this whole time, our snake here, she has a long backbone. And can you guess where her tail is? Well, her tail, let me just get her, she's a little upside down. Her tail is actually right here. That's as big as her tail is. It's not her whole body, it's just really something small. There we go, she's just looping around. All right, everyone, so you would find these types of snakes in Africa. So that's where you would find them out in the wild. Now, it looks like Diego here is getting nice and cozy. She's gonna enjoy the warm sunlight because we haven't been taking her outside very often right now because the weather's been really chilly. So as I said before, reptiles need sun. Even if you have a pet ball python, which they do make good pets, make sure they have a really big enclosure and they have proper UV lighting because they need to have that temperature that helps them survive. Okay, everyone, so thank you so much for coming on an adventure, and we look forward to seeing you back at Cat's Corner.